Today we are going to talk about 10 websites that no one is talking about that you can use right now to make easy money every day, and the best part is that all these websites require no experience or money to start, and they can make you thousands of extra dollars per month for basically doing nothing. Number 10. Respondent is one of the best places to get paid for sharing your knowledge and experience. Respondent will pay you anywhere from $100 to $750 an hour just for participating in studies. Starting out is very easy. Simply register on their website with your work email, personalize your skills and interests, and respondents will send you research projects based on your prior work experience. You'll be paid via PayPal for each project you complete, and you can then transfer the money from your PayPal account to your bank account. Number 9. Product 2 is an application that rewards shoppers for making short videos about the products that they buy and consume. These videos are used for market research purposes to guide product manufacturers on how to improve their products to better meet consumer needs. What type of videos will you be making on Product Tube in order to get paid? First, at iOmen, create short videos from the comfort of your home sharing how you shop online or how you consume products. Second, in-store, when you go to the store, record short videos sharing how you shop. Third, augmented reality, explore new product concepts using cutting-edge augmented reality technology. Product Tube rewards are in the form of Amazon e-gift cards. These rewards are typically shared within just 5 business days. A few simple steps to get started. First, sign up by downloading Product Tube application on your mobile phone to get started. Then you will start receiving invites to participate. Follow the instructions and record your video. Next, upload videos to Product Tube directly from your phone using our iPhone or Android app. After that, you will be able to receive your rewards within 5 business days via Amazon gift card. You can earn between $50 and $80 per hour by posting these video reviews, which is obviously very good and definitely worth a try. Number 8. Bestmark is another website that you can sign up to start earning some extra cash, as well as getting free food and services in the process. They're offering 3 types of assignments. Mystery shopping. They are also called secret shoppers, pose as customers in order to evaluate the quality of customer service they receive. They perform specific tasks in store, online, or by phone, such as purchasing a product or posing a specific scenario and then providing detailed experience insights, allowing an organization to drive effective change within their business. Intercept interviewers directly gather detailed experience and brand perception information from customers as they exit a brick-and-mortar business, such as a retail store, restaurant. Bank companies use the survey results to understand how to continually improve experiences for their customers. And lastly, you can work as compliance auditors by giving review adherence to companies such as product pricing and placement, merchandising displays and availability, planograms, employee procedures, customer safety, and more. Getting started simply by clicking on Apply Now and fill all the information required. Number 7. Rapify is another website you can use to earn hundreds of dollars per month, just driving your car, no upfront costs, and very easy to do it. You can get started in just simple 3 steps. 1. Get the app by downloading the Rapify app and sign up to become a driver. 2. Finalize your profile by entering crews through our few steps to complete your onboarding process. And then you will receive offers when campaigns are available in your targeted area. You will see offers come into the app. You can earn up to $452 per month just driving your car. Number 6 is find focus groups. You will get paid for your opinions on anything. A focus group is a form of market research where a group of people answer questions and discuss a product or idea. Focus groups are conducted on behalf of companies to find out what consumers think about their product, brand, competition, or ideas. Focus groups are typically conducted in a group setting of 8 to 12 people in a high-density city with a diverse group of population and demographics. There are also many focus groups, one-on-one sessions, and shop-along studies. Recently, online focus groups have become very popular for companies to run. Consumers are compensated for their opinions with cash, gift cards, or free product. Most of the time you will be paid in the form of cash or check at the end of the focus group. Other times you may be compensated with a gift certificate or a free product. All you have to do is to search by city or state. Use the navigation at the top of the page to search by city or search by state. If you don't live in an area that conducts a lot of focus group, you can look at nationwide focus groups. They are conducted online. Second, find a focus group and apply. Look for a topic that interests you. The listings include location, time, date, demographic requirements, and compensation. At the bottom of the listings there are instructions on how to apply. Just follow all the instructions, and that's it. What's amazing is how much money you can make with some of these focus groups. For example, this one driving habit study is available in California, Texas, Colorado, or Virginia. They will pay you $325 for just 2.5 hours per day. Not bad at all, right? Number 5. U.S. Review of Books. This website will pay you to read and provide brief reviews of independently published books and authors. This site will pay $25 to $75 per review. Generally run 250 to 300 words and pay $25. Longer reviews of 500 to 600 words pay more, up to $75. Number 4. Sweatcoin. This app literally is paying you just to walk. This is a new breed of step counter and activity tracker that converts your steps into a currency. You can spend on gadgets, sports, and fitness kit services and experiences. Sweatcoin is an achievement tracker for a new generation. This is one of the easiest way you can get extra stuff for free. You choose from thousands of fabulous branded goods and services in their marketplace, from high-tech shoes to iPhones, anti-gravity yoga classes, Apple Watches, and more. Number 3 is User Interview. This incredible website will pay you just to share your opinion. They are working with top companies such as Adobe, Spotify, Pinterest, CNN, Amazon, and much more. You can make money at home participating in online studies and help influence the products and services of tomorrow. Virtually share feedback on product ideas, prototypes, or simply talk about your life experiences. All you need is a computer with a webcam and a strong internet connection to get started. Apply to studies below and they will send you more paid study opportunities just like these. This is a great opportunity, as you can see how much money they will pay just to share your opinion. The sign-up process is very straightforward and easy to do. All you have to do is create your profile, apply for different studies by answering a few questions, and then complete the task and get paid within a few days. Number 2. User Brain. This is another great website you can use to make money online by just testing websites from the comfort of your home. All you have to do is just to sign up here on their website, or you can just download their app on your mobile phone. You can then speak your thoughts while going through a set of tasks for about 5 to 20 minutes. Then receive new tests and get paid $5 per test by PayPal. Final one is Tremata. Is another testing website where you can get paid to test websites and apps and give your honest feedback and earn $10 or more per test. The sign-up process are very easy. As you can see, all you need is your name, PayPal account, and password, and that's it. I hope you guys got some value out of this video. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon. See you guys in the next video.